Meet Tile Mate, the small, powerful companion that helps you find your things. Small and light, Tile Mate is designed to easily hook onto your keys, drop in your purse, or stick on your bike. When your things get lost, Tile Mate is there to help you find them. Ring Tile Mate to quickly find your remote control. Or use the Tile app to retrace your steps and see where you left your car on a map. If it's your phone that you're looking for, just press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even on silent. And if your bike goes missing, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified. Then, when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing bike, the Tile app will alert you of its most recent location. Tile Mate, the simple, easy way to find your things. Get Tile Mate today and never worry about losing anything again. Tile. Find what matters.
The new MacBook shouldn't change the way you work. With this USB-C to USB-A mini adapter, connect all your USB devices to your MacBook. It's not plastic, it's not bulky, and it doesn't take up unnecessary space. The mini adapter was designed in Germany to be an extension of everything that you love about the new MacBook. It's slim, portable, powerful, and made out of aluminium alloy, the same stuff as your new MacBook. Get back into your flow. Transfer your files at USB super speed, up to 5 gigabytes per second. Charge up your phone wherever you are. Leave it plugged in and carry it anywhere you go. The USB-C to USB-A mini adapter by Nonda.
As a working mom, I'm thankful my mom is able to help out.
Awesome.
So I bought her the all-new Jitterbug Flip from Great Call. It's a cell phone she actually enjoys using.
Yeah, and from the T-Rex.
She loves it and takes it everywhere. It's so easy to use. And with a larger screen and bigger buttons, it's even easier to dial.
Let's send it to her.
There's also a 5-star button on the keypad, so I know she can always get help.
One touch of the 5-star button turns the Jitterbug into a personal safety device. In any unsafe or uncertain situation, you'll be immediately connected to a highly trained agent who can confirm your location, assess the situation, and get you the help you need.
Now it's easy for us to stay in touch.
What'd you say?
So cute.
Service starts as low as $14.99 a month. Or choose the all-new Jitterbug Smart.
Exclusively from Great Call.
When you upgrade your Wi-Fi to Eero, something amazing happens. Everything just works, letting you connect with what's important. That's why we made Eero, the world's best reviewed home Wi-Fi system. Eeros replace your router, forming a wireless mesh network that blankets your home in fast, reliable Wi-Fi. Eero is simple to set up and can expand to cover any home, meaning all your connected devices work the way you want them to, wherever you want them to.
Yep, still at the office. No, I'm at the other branch.
With Eero, you'll have no more dead spots, slow spots, drop-offs, or buffering. It's Wi-Fi so good, you'll never think about Wi-Fi again.